Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look. These are obviously my favorite kinds of looks. I know it's pretty similar to stuff that I've done in the past, but I think it's definitely a little bit more summery, and I consider this look something that you can use to transition from summer to fall. You know, it does have warm tones and you can definitely make it more summer appropriate by like changing the lip or adding brighter eyeshadows in the crease, stuff like that. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I've already primed my face with my Too Faced Hangover primer, and I've let that sink in a little bit. So now I'm going to go ahead and get started with the eyes. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer to prime, and afterwards I'm just going to set it with powder, and then I'll get started on the shadow. Today I'm going to be using the 27 palette by Melt Cosmetics. That's what it looks like. It's just a beautiful warm palette. If you like the colors, then go ahead and pick it up. I actually really like it. The formula is really good and it has all the colors that you need for a warm look, which is what I'm trying to achieve today. I am going to go into another palette just for one color, because I really wanted a specific type of orange on the lid. So I'm going to go into Naked Sleep, which is that first like transition color, and I'm just going to apply it in the crease. Alright, next I'm going to go into Nip Slip, which is kind of a peachy coral. So I'm just going to apply that in the crease as well. Now I'm going to mix Moxie, this orangey red right here, and Downtown, this like darker brown, and apply that in the outer corners. Then I'm just going to go in with that first blending brush that I use and just blend everything. I just want to deepen the outer corner a little bit, so I'm going to use the shade Moonchild, which is this kind of like deep warm brown, and I'm just going to apply that in the outer corner. So now I'm going to go into the Anastasia Artist Palette. This is pretty old. I'm not sure if it's still on sale, but I'm just going to use one shade from this palette. It's the Orange You Fancy color, and I'm just applying that all over the lid. Okay, so I'm just going to go back into the 27 palette and just fix the shadow that it kind of took away. Now I'm going to do my liquid liner. This is always the hardest part for me. Alright, so next I am going to go in with foundation, and I'm going to be using the Revlon Colorstay foundation in 220. I'm not sure if this is actually the shade that I've been using lately, because I am usually shade 250, but that one was getting a little bit dark on me, which is weird because it's summer, but we shall see. And if it's too light, then I will darken it with bronzer. So the verdict is that I think this foundation is definitely way too light for me. I'm going in with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Light 16. This is definitely super brightening and probably too light, but once I blend it out, it looks okay. And I'm going to go ahead and conceal some blemishes with my Maybelline concealer. So I've really been liking this Colourpop concealer. My skin isn't the greatest right now, but it just feels a lot lighter than my Tarte Shape Tape one. So that's really nice for the summer. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with another Colourpop product that I've been loving, which is the Colourpop No Filter Sheer Press Powder. That's what it looks like. I'm just going to set my entire face with this. I do everything in a really weird order, so I just kind of jump around. I'm going to do my eyebrows next. I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer in the shade Dark Brunnette. Okay, so next I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows using my little Sonia Kashuk palette. I just used the darkest brown in there. I kind of let the powder sink in a little bit to my eyebrows. Then I'm going to go in with eyebrow gel after. But in the meantime, I'm going to do my lower lash line. Just going in with the same shades that I did in the transition on the top. I'm going to apply a brow gel to my brows, and it's just the Essence Make Me Brow. I'm just curling my lashes, prepping them for mascara. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my contour using the Wet n Wild contour palette. I think I'm going to do a little bit of bronzer because it is a summer makeup tutorial, so let's do it. I'm going to go grab my bronzer. I got my bronzer. It's the Colourpop bronzer in... There's no name, but it looks like this. Now let's go into blush. I'm going to use my Milani Luminoso as always. Now let's do mascara. I'm going to be going in with two mascaras because I'm extra. I will be using the Kiko Extra Sculpt Mascara and then the Better Than Sex Mascara by Too Faced. I think the last thing I need is highlight. We're gonna go with Colourpop highlighter in Lunch Money. And I'm just gonna apply it with my fingers. And finally, we're gonna go with my favorite part, which is the lip. I am going to line my lips with my super tiny Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in Ginger. This is literally my favorite lip liner. I just ordered a new one because look at this, like... I'm gonna go in with Ofra and Kathleen Light's Miami Fever. So that completes this look. This is definitely a look, like I said, that's transitional and it's super versatile. You know, it's not hard at all, like it's super easy. And I just love looks like this. I think they're super flattering on mostly everyone. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if there's any videos that you'd like to see from me. I'm definitely thinking about doing like celebrity inspired makeup tutorials. Like I know I want to do one for Selena Quintanilla. She's just such an icon, and I know there's a bunch of tutorials on her already, but I definitely want to give it a go. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!